Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some more soap. And today I'll be using a fragrance I haven't used in quite a while. It's Coconut Lime Verbana from Nature's Garden. And I like this one because not only does it smell good, it behaves like a dream in cold process, and most important of all, it holds its scent in cold process. So I'll be using the tall skinny mold again. I'm obviously not testing a new fragrance, but when I do test a new fragrance, I always use the tall skinny mold with frosting because it's a smaller batch, but I don't have another new one to test, and I need to get 2 batches in. Because that's a smaller batch, I need to get 2 in per week. So just decided to pull out an old favorite. So I'm going to be going kind of on the theme of the coconut, obviously, and perhaps the lime. So the body of the soap, the main part, will be white. It will be brown to represent the brown shell of the coconut, the white obviously to represent the flesh, and it's going to be a mixture of Nurture Soap's Green Vibrance, which is a little too light to represent the leaves of the palm. So I'm going to darken that up with some of Brambleberry's Chrome Green Oxide. So that'll represent the leaves, and that will get our coconut colors in. And since that's generally, a tropical feel, tropical scent, I'm going to put a sky blue frosting on the top. I'll be using Nurture Soap's Blue Vibrance lightened up with some titanium dioxide, and that will represent the sky. So give me a minute to get set up and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So the white is obviously titanium dioxide mixed in hot water, and I've already mixed that up and set that aside because there's just usually not much to see with titanium dioxide until you stick blend it, and that's what really brightens it up. So let's move to our next lightest color, which will be our Green Vibrance and our Chrome Oxide. So I'm going to put about a half teaspoon of each, maybe just a tiny more of the Green Vibrance. And as much as I love that, I think it's just a little too light for this project. So we're going to deepen it just a little bit with some Green Oxide. Let's give that a hand stir and see what it looks like. Although this is another one with the Green Oxide, you really can't tell until it is stick blended. I think I'd like just a little more oxide in that. But I don't want to get too much because stick blending will really bring it out. So I'm going to stop there and hope that's not too much already. So then let's work on our brown to represent the coconut shell. And a teaspoon should do with it because it's pretty potent and there's not very much here. And yes, that is ample. So let's get these lined up, lightest to darkest. I'll hand stir the fragrance in, although I know it behaves. I'm going to do a third in each. I'm going to do 1/4 in each, a third in these, obviously, because I have 4 containers. That'll be for our frosting. So there's our white, here's our green. Brown. Let me stick blend these in to finish emulsifying those and to really blend in those 2 oxides and get to a consistency that I like, and then I'm going to drop swirl these into the mold. So lightest to darkest, we'll start with our white. Then we'll do our green. I'll put the white in the middle. So we'll start with a layer of green. Just one up and one back. And then the white. Now it's thickening because the titanium dioxide. I gotta pour it a little bit faster, but the others I'm gonna go low and slow. But I gotta move on that TV because it's really thickening on me. One final pass. Let's do that afterwards. Okay, let's give this a quick swirl to make the top pretty, even though I'm going to frost it. That also, once again, levels everything out, kind of makes it more flat and more even and better to accept the frosting. And I just find it very satisfying. So I will let that set up for a few minutes and get my frosting made, and I will be right back. Okay, it's time to cut our soap. Not sure blue was the best choice for the top. I'm just thinking I had the coconut and the lime represented in the main soap, and I thought I would let that be the blue sky, but yellow probably would have been a better choice. But regardless, it's done, so let's see what we have inside. Oh, very, very nice. Very nice. So I am very pleased with these. We got some really nice, well-defined colors, and they all stayed independent and didn't blend together, so I'm really happy with this. And that's what I have until next week, so thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. I'll see you next week. Bye.